Explain kidney transplantation. Kidney transplantation refers to an operation in which a diseased kidney is replaced by a transplanted healthy kidney, either from a living donor or from a person who has just died. One healthy donor kidney is sufficient to maintain the health of the recipient. Factors in improving the results of transplant surgery are: to prevent rejection, effective immune suppressant drug treatment is given. Tissue typing is necessary to help in matching the recipient and donor tissue for transplant surgery, thus minimizing the risk of rejection of a donor organ by the recipient's immune system. After the removal of organ from the donor, it should be washed with an oxygenated fluid and cooled. This reduces the risk of damage.